Hi, my name is Quentin. I'm a digital marketer, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics into your onto your website. So I've wrote a small article describing what Google Analytics is. So this video will be just about how to install it. The link to the article will be in the description below. But yeah, just briefly, Google Analytics is a free tool that Google provides that allows you to track what's happening on your website. So it's very important to have it installed on your site. It allows you to make better decisions about your digital marketing. Like, is your website working to get you leads, sales? How much traffic is coming to your website? What pages are converting better? What areas, geographic areas. It tells you about your audience, all these types of things. But if you want to learn more about what you can do with analytics, check out the article in the description. But yeah, let's jump straight into it. So first off, you're going to go to Google and you're going to type in Google Analytics. And the first result that comes up, you'll go to that over there. You'll click on it. That should take you to the Google Analytics. Okay, I am logged in one of my other. Let me just log out. Let me log into one that hasn't. Okay, so you will see if you haven't installed Google Analytics yet, you will see this page come up. Welcome to Google Analytics. You're going to click on Start Measuring, and then it's going to take you to create an account. So on this page, you're just going to add what your account's name is going to be. So you can basically just call it your business name. I'll just call it digital mastery. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to call it, digital mastery. And then what you're going to do, if you want all these things checked here, services, benchmarking recommended, all this kind of thing. So you can leave this ticked, but if you don't want to get a lot of emails from, you can leave technical support maybe, but you can actually leave all this on because they give you good advice and they send you good updates. So I'm just going to click next here. Okay, so this page is going to ask you, what are you trying to measure? So is it going to be your website? Is it going to be an app? And this new feature is app and web, which is going to be, this is rolling out at the moment. It's in the beta mode still, but this is very interesting. It's going to have a lot of cool features that will make analytics even more powerful. So, but not yet. It doesn't have like e-commerce capabilities and that kind of things yet. So to start off with, you're just gonna go with the web. I'm assuming you're looking to track a website. If you want to track an app, you would click app. But I'm gonna go with a website. So you'll say next here. Then here you're gonna just put in your website name. So it will be again the same thing, digital mastery, and then you're going to put in your website URL over here. I'm actually just going to use this as a test. It's just a test domain that I've got that I'm just using for this demo. So I'm going to put it in here. Let me take that out there. Put that in there. Okay, there. So yeah, you can select the industry that you're in. You can just choose one that is closely related to what you are doing. Sometimes you don't actually find something. Beauty, business. Let's just say business. And this is important here. So here you want to change the time zone that you're in. So it goes to the United States. If you are in the States, obviously leave it at that. But I'm in South Africa, so let me just choose South Africa time zone over there, and then you click create. Yeah, you're going to get all the terms and conditions. So just change it to South Africa's terms and conditions. Click I accept. Obviously, read all the terms and conditions that is there. Go through everything and make sure you agree with everything, and then click up accept. Okay, so that's gonna bring up this page over here. You can just click save, and they're gonna give you a little walkthrough. So I'll just close that and say no. So yeah, they're asking you to try the new version that I spoke of earlier. I'll just say no for now, but we all definitely gonna be using this in future, but at the moment not. So we're gonna say no, thank you. So now it brings you to this page, which is cool because this is what you're going to need to, this is the code you're going to need to install onto your website. So in order to make analytics work, you have to paste this bit of code on your website. But the cool thing about it is that once you've done it once, it's installed. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to do it on a WordPress website. If you're a developer and you want to paste the code directly into your website, you can go ahead and do that if you've got the knowledge. But for myself, I just use a plugin on WordPress that makes it easy to just do. Also, Shopify, all these other platforms make it very simple for you to just add the code to it, and you are off and running. So I'm just going to use this demo account here. So this is the backend of WordPress. So you would go to plugins over here, install plugins, add new plugin, and then you're just going to search Google Analytics. So there's a host of plugins that you can use to basically install Google Analytics. I'm going to use the Monster Insights, but as you can see, I'll show you here. There's a site. Okay, this one is quite cool. Maybe I should. Okay, no, I'll just stick to this one. Over here, I'll just stick to the Google Analytics Monster Insights. So there's all various you can choose from, and you can try them all, but I'll just choose this one and go with it. So you just click install. Just taking a moment for it to just install now. Okay, there's it installed. You click activate. Okay, there we go. Get started. So this will take you through how to do it. They do have a pro version, but you don't actually need the pro version just to add the basic analytics. So I'll just launch the wizard there. Just go through the wizard. Yeah, what kind of, it's a business website. So you will just choose what it is. If you've got a business website, a publisher, like a blog, or is the e-commerce site. Mine is just a business site, I'm going to say. Yeah, all this, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to the pro, but then yeah, you can just click connect. So now you're just going to pick the account that you are basically setting up the Google Analytics for, your Google account. You're going to go to the one that you are busy setting up. You're going to allow. And then we're just going to go complete connection. It will just ask you to log in again. And there we go. Once that is all sorted out, you can just say save and continue. And you are good to go. You can skip that step and yeah, exit setup. And there your analytics is installed. So now you can go back to your analytics account. You see, it makes it very simple with the plugin. So in a few hours time, you can check it out to see if your setup has been done correctly. And then from there, it will start tracking what's happening. Let me just show you what so this is what an active account would look like. You would start seeing data coming in like revenues and on the site, you'll actually see in real-time data. Let me just go to maybe a report here. Yeah, so you'll be able to see all this information once the analytics tag is active. You'll start seeing all this data, and with this, you can start making decisions about your website to see what's working and what's not. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it went on a little bit too long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll be giving more insights into Google Analytics. The more I learn, the more I'll just keep adding to the channel and adding videos. I also help small businesses. So if you're small businesses with 1 to 5 employees, but you don't really have the budget for an agency yet, but you do have a marketing budget, then I would work with you to get results for you online. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Click a like on the video. I hope it helped you, and I hope you got your analytics set up. Keep well. Bye.